with an arcade hero. The ones that they sent me in the mail so far, I got this one. But let's get ready to unbox, friends. The packaging is a cute arcade box. Let me get some of this open, and we're gonna go on from there. Because I want to make sure that I don't mess up the packaging too hard. Let me see if I can get it. One blind bag already. Oh, look what we got. Let's see what this is. Oh, cool. She's so cool, guys. She's so nice. See what we got. Ooh, our coin. I want to show everybody the coin. Okay, what does it say? It says United States of Pizza, if you guys can see that good. And it has a pizza on it. Reminds me of Chuck E. Cheese. That's what it reminds me of. Going to Chuck E. Cheese and getting like millions of coins. And then you're supposed to put this in. Ooh, it opens it up. Okay, not all the way, but just enough. Ooh, okay. I really like this. Okay. Let's see what else we got. Oh, okay. Screen comes up. Nice, nice. Then our guy, VR Dude, comes out. Ooh, we get lots of stuff back here. This casing, can I say MGA? This is nice. Like, this is nice casing for the price. I think this was only another $15 or $16 item. Pretty nice for $15 or $16. And then this thing, you know, opens and shuts. And I think the way to get it, each time you have to put the coin in to open it. Oh, that's nice. So keep your coins, guys, because when you close this, I don't know if there's any way to get it out other than putting this coin in again. So keep your coin. Let's look at this. This is nice. VR Dude. Lovely. You can see his card. I just think his pink hair is so cute. And nobody can tell me otherwise. Like, when I saw that pink hair, pink is my favorite color, as you can tell from my channel. Color combo. The purple on the neon green, like, or is that neon yellow? Neon green, neon yellow, plus the purple. It's like a, you know, it's like a pinkish purple too. It's just, he's just neat. He really is. You have to be very careful with these things, because if you lose any of the pieces, obviously you will not be able to put your suit back on, which would be unfortunate as an LOL. And these are tiny little Lego-y pieces. Very good job, MGA. I'm not gonna lie, I think this is cute. Let me see if I can just take it off. How do they? Oh, okay, so it just comes off like this. Like, see, little knob, and you can just push it back on or take it off at will. I like that. Okay, because I'm like, how do I get his suit off? Oh, okay, it kind of just pulls off, which is easy. It's not that hard, but my only problem is I do think this is definitely harder for a smaller child. Probably anybody under 7 might have trouble with this. And yeah, let's see if I can get his, ooh, good. His legs came off in one bound. Okay, leg came off in one bound and one pull. That's good, but let me see, does it come off? Yeah, so it bends, guys. Look at that. That's cute, ain't it? Oh, that's hot. Look at this. It bends. I like that. And then it bends and then it pulls out. See that little joint? Ah, that's nice. Well done, MGA. Look at these shoes, though. Really, and what I like is I can put any LOL in here if I want. I can put a different LOL in here. I don't have to use him. And then you snap it back together. That's easy. That's really, really easy. Really well done, in my opinion. Whoever thought of this idea, the fact that they only gave us 6, they should have made 12, but it's okay. I totally understand. Ooh, his helmet. I've been waiting to see him. Look at him. Okay, so when I was little, there used to be a cartoon out called VR Troopers, and that's what these remind me of. Like, we are VR Troopers. I mean, I know they remind everybody of Power Rangers. I get it. Power Rangers was big, but also VR Troopers was like a thing too. And look at the helmet. It just snaps back together. Let me show you. You take it apart easily, and you can just easily snap it back together. But again, I think somebody 7 or older, just because yes, these you snap it back together very easily, but just for the delicacy of the preserving pieces and not snapping too hard and breaking the plastic, I'd say probably 7 or up could do this, and make sure and not get frustrated with it. I could see a little small child getting frustrated with being able to, but most, you know, kid people, I think definitely Lego age, like if they can play with Legos and be okay, they can play with this. Because also small children, this is a very small piece, and I would hate for somebody to put that in their mouth and, you know, choke on that. So that's another reason too. Now let's figure out how to get this off. This is cool though, right? Look, and he has 2 different color eyes, a purple and a green, or I should say teal. Oh, this is nice. Oh, this is nice. His hair, you can, just pink is my favorite color. He's got little braids and or dreads, like, okay, so I'm gonna take his head off because I don't want to mess him up trying to get this off. And I am trying to figure out how to get this suit off. Okay, well that fell. So you can take the suit on and off like this. It has little plastic holes in it, and you can just put that back in like so, and do that. And the suit is the main part of the suit, the body of the suit. So this is our guy, VR dude. This is him. Love it. VR dude. I like his little outfit, and I like his little underwear that they already put him in. Isn't that nice? So he already has like some underwear on, because sometimes these don't even come with that on. And his socks. He's nice. Other people have said, and look at this. It's just like a real video game where this part is the game and it comes down. This came out. So it says, it shows him and his friend. Okay, so I guess they're friends. So I need to find a claw to complete this little friendship, I guess, huh? I'm gonna find all of them regardless. And then you can pick choose your heroes. I like that. And then it shows Cyro, Claw, Atomic, Starling, Titanium, and Chaos, which is nice. And then it has all his little things. Let's open up. See, and I do wish that opening this was not gonna mess with this, because this is nice. You know, this is nice artwork. Let's look at these shoes. His shoes are actually really, really cute. They look like some little like tennis shoes, maybe. Okay, cute. I like the construction on them. Very, very nice. What else does he have? Ooh, he got some shorts. I like these shorts. They go good with his outfit. They're gonna go good. They gave him a shirt. Or I should say, is this a jacket? It's a little jacket / shirt. I think this is supposed to be, a jacket, but it looks like a shirt to me. It's really nice. I love his little gaming headset. That's what I would call this. All the boys have it. Little gaming headset. That's really, really cute. again, MGA, they really... And I'm going to tell you guys, this is my first boy series. I do not buy the boys. It's not that I don't care about the boys. I'll get them like, if I open like, you know, an Amazing Surprise or something that comes with boys. Yeah, that's cute, but I don't focus on the boys. So this is my first one, and I just think this is, okay, really, really hot water. Let's go. Really, really hot water. I'm not seeing a change with hot water, but let's see what he does for cold. Hold on. For cold, he got this thing that says Player 1. That wasn't on there. That definitely wasn't on there. So it's just his shirt that changes, not his body. I'm gonna leave it in there for a second. But yeah, cold, Player 1. Hot, it's gone. So yeah, guys, his shirt is the only thing that changes. A finished product. This is him with some different looks. I love this outfit. I love his gaming. To take a page out of the JK book, if you put his shoes on, just his shoes, he'll be just right around as tall as the JKs. Isn't that cute? I think that is adorable. So then they both are kind of tall. I love it. I just really, really love it. Hopefully one day they make some OMG boys. That would be cool. But yeah, I just think they're so cute being the same height like this. I was just like, oh, I wonder what will happen if I just put his shoes on, or his robot legs on. Or sorry, his suit shoes on. And this is the finished product. And we'll see you next time, friends, okay? Bye.